New Year, everyone. I'm Ann Burchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I like to create crafting connections one card at a time. Today, I have a very, very special guest to help me make some cards, and that's my daughter.
Hi, I'm Mackenzie, and I'm a 5th grader.
Awesome. And why do you like to stamp?
Because I could be creative, and I could give it to people I love.
Oh, I love that. That's awesome. Well, today we're going to be using Blueberry Bunches and Jungle Pals. Jungle Pals is a free stamp set when you spend $50 or more. And that's out of the Sale-a-bration catalog. And the Blueberry Bunches is out of the new mini catalog, which is January through April. If you would like either one of these catalogs, leave me a comment and I'll get them to you. So sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and Mackenzie and I are going to make some cards to send to people that we love. I like that. All right, let's get busy.
We have 2 different animals. I'm doing a crocodile, and Mommy's doing a lemur.
All right.
And we're doing a blueberry stick. It's going to be super cool.
Go ahead.
Yours is a little easier than mine.
Why?
Because I have the little feet.
I've got little feet too.
I got 4 feet, and you got 2.
I've got 4 feet.
Oh, I see.
He has ridges on his back.
we're now on to our coloring. Okay, I am doing. Me and my mom are doing these blueberry bushel, and also
It's on the end.
Gran apple green, dark
Granny apple green.
apple green.
There you go.
Okay, for the blueberry stem. I'll do stem.
You want to do leaves and I'll do blueberries?
I think I want to do the opposite. Cannot. I can't always open these.
Good enough room?
And now, guys, I'm doing
Shaded spruce.
shaded spruce and light shade of spruce.
Put his teeth yellow.
Oh, I'll do
That's up to you.
blue teeth.
Blue teeth. Okay.
It's it looks like he had blue blood. He had blue. Oh, okay. He took a bite of a blueberry, so he had some teeth.
I love that. That's a good story. And there you have the creation of from Mackenzie and Anne. Oh, turn it so they can see it. There you go. So we decorated the envelope, and then we decorated the inside.
And here's mine.
With your speech bubbles. Too cute. Who are you going to give yours to?
You.
Me? I'm going to give mine to you.
And guys, I have a question for you. Link in the comments and I pick who's better. Mommy's or mine. And mine is definitely going to win, but people might like yours. So comment down who do you like better. And like this video and subscribe so we can get 100K.
Awesome. Bye.